I'm going to show you guys how to make a desktop companion game like our game, Petunia's Purgatory. So it's pretty easy. I'll just walk you through some of the steps here. First thing we're going to do is we're going to take a look at our camera here in our kind of sample scene. There's a few settings you need to set here. So first, make sure to uncheck post-processing and have no anti-aliasing. Scroll down to the environment and let's make sure this is set to solid color and then set it to pure black with 0 alpha. And then finally, go down to output and change HDR rendering to off. That's all the camera settings. And then we need to go into the edit project settings menu and then go to the player tab here. Under resolution and presentation, there's a few things you want to do. So first, make sure that run in background is checked. This makes it so the game can actually run if you're not looking at it. Full screen mode should be full screen window. And then make sure to uncheck allow full screen switch. And then this is really important. This crazy long one, use DXGI flip model swap chain. Make sure to uncheck this and just ignore that. I like to also go into splash image and then turn off the splash screen. And then under other settings, scroll down to auto graphics API for Windows and make sure this is unchecked. So you're going to uncheck that. And then down here on the list of graphics API, make sure that Direct3D 11 is higher than Direct3D 12. You might have to just drag it up if it's not in the right spot. And then that's all for setup. And then finally, you're gonna have to write a little script here to make this work properly. I will include a link to the script if you need the code, but I'll show you here. I'm just gonna copy this over into a new empty mono behavior. Go ahead and copy this, great. Okay, and then let's get that script here onto our camera and then drag that here. And that should be it. A note here is that you were not gonna be able to see this work in the editor. You have to make a build. So let's go ahead and make a build real quick. All right, and then if all went well, when we run this, we should see our little friend right here on our desktop. There's Petunia. And that's it. If you have any questions, you can reach me on our Discord. Hop in there, and we're actually having a naming contest later for some of the crops in our game. But otherwise, get out there and make some desktop companion games. Thanks, bye.